Good morning, class 4th. So, today we will study this poem Seeds by Walter de la Mare. So, let's start. The seeds I sowed for weeks unseen have pushed up pygmy, means very short, shoots of green, so frail you'd think. Frail means small, weak and easily broken or destroyed. The tiniest stone would never let a glimpse be shown. Glimpse means a quick sight of something. But no, a pebble, that means a small smooth stone. Near them lies at least a cherry stone in size, which that mere sprout has heaved away. Heaved away means pushed away with great effort to bask in sunshine. See the day. To bask, that means to enjoy the warmth and light of the sun. So, the poet of this poem is Walter de la Mare. He was an English poet, short story writer and novelist. He is the best remembered for his poems for children. In this poem, the speaker attempts to show the difference between the weak and the strong. The seedling, though frail and small, is actually tough and steady. It is strong enough to make space for itself and grow, even if it has to push aside a large pebble to do so. So, basically in this poem, the poet relates the seeds to hope of a man. The poet was having the seed in his hands, and at the same time he was having the seeds of his hope. Okay, his hopes means his dreams. So within himself, all right, he has such hope along with the hope of a seed. As he sowed the seed in the soil, as he waited for them to emerge, the seed of hope within him also started growing and fed on his blood. That means his hopes became one with him, and they were flowing in his blood and sweat. That means he was confident enough that he will do whatever he wants to do to gain success in life. He will take all the risk in life. He learnt that from the plant, from the little seedling, that if a little seedling can do so many things. You know, when we see a small plant, it looks really weak and really frail, right? But you know, it can move a pebble to grow. So that is what the poet understood from the seedling. So he was full of hope that his dreams to come true. And as the plant in the soil grew, he also felt the sense of youth with hopes in him. So his hopes also became more confident and more lively, and decided that he will do anything to make his dream come true. The plant in the soil bore fruit as plant grew. So the success of fruits were also enjoyed by the poet. That means the poet also enjoyed the success of fruits. Along with this plant, the poet was also growing up. Also, okay, who worked very hard to achieve success in his life, to achieve his dream. And Whatever may be difficulties in the path of a little seedling or a plant to grow like a pebble, the little plant has heaved away. Heaved away means the little plant has pushed away with great effort so that it could feel the warmth and the light of the sun, so that it could enjoy the sunlight and it could grow. So it moved away all its difficulties, all its obstacles in the path of the sunlight. So similarly, the poet also understood with this. He also overcame all his difficulties and he got success in life just like the little plant. So this chapter is all about comparison between the seeds of a plant and seeds of a man's hopes, that means his dreams. That's it for today's class. Hope you have understood. Your homework is that you have to write down 12 lines of the poem in your note copy and learn it. And also write the word meanings from your book in your copy. Hope you have understood. Have a great day.